fabric. Lift the presser foot, then pull all threads under the foot. Lower the presser foot. Sew a few stitches to secure the threads. Continue sewing, then stop to trim thread tails. When you put the presser foot down, you may notice that the foot won't be touching the fabric. But lowering the presser foot will put tension on the upper thread, which is necessary for correct stitch formation. The foot only comes in contact with the fabric momentarily while stitching when needles in its lowest position. The foot rises again, allowing you to move the fabric freely. To do darning of holes or tears in fabric, apply a small fabric grip to the back of the tear to add stability. Select the straight stitch and sew over the torn area while guiding the fabric back and forth in even movements. Once the area has been covered with stitches, lead the needle down, lift the presser foot, and turn the fabric 90 degrees. Lower the presser foot and repeat the process. To do free motion embroidery, sometimes called thread painting, you can use either a zigzag or straight stitch. It is not necessary to set the stitch length, as this is determined by sewing speed along with fabric movement. Use a removable fabric marking tool to draw the design on the fabric surface. Apply stabilizer to the back of the fabric, following the manufacturer's recommendations. Draw off the bobbin thread, then hold the bobbin and needle thread from the edge to begin to sew. Stop to trim the thread tails. Sew at fast speed while guiding the fabric at a moderate pace to fill in the design area on the fabric surface. For monogramming, set the machine for a zigzag stitch. Place the fabric in a hoop